Some mistakes make your English sound unnatural immediately.
And the surprising part, even advanced learners still make them.
Today, we're fixing the 10 most common mistakes native speakers notice.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say instead.
Stay with us on English Mitra. This one is simple, practical, and powerful. So Maya, why do these mistakes stand out so much to native speakers?
Because they hear them again and again, and something just feels off.
Even when the meaning is clear, the sentence doesn't sound natural.
And sometimes it even sounds a little funny.
But here's the good news. Once you notice them, they're very easy to fix.
So let's go through all 10, one by one.
Let's start with the first one.
I am having 2 brothers.
Say, I have 2 brothers.
Because we don't use am having for family or possessions, have is enough here.
Next, mistake number 2.
I didn't went there.
Say, I didn't go there.
Because after did not, we always use the base form of the verb. Otherwise, it sounds like you went and didn't go at the same time. For example, I didn't go to work yesterday. I didn't go to the party.
So in real life, you'll hear didn't go, not went. Here's number 3.
Let's discuss about the plan.
Say, let's discuss the plan.
Because discuss already means talk about, so adding about is unnecessary. For example, let's discuss the problem. Let's discuss your idea.
So just say discuss. Don't add about. Quick pause. How many of these have you already used? Drop a number in the comments later. Moving on to number 4.
Please revert back soon.
Say, please revert soon.
Because revert already includes the meaning of back or reply.
Here's number 5.
I'm knowing the answer.
Say, I know the answer.
Because verbs like know, like, and understand are not used in the continuous form.
Quick recap so far. These are small changes.
But they make your English sound much more natural.
Number 6 is very common.
She is very good in English.
Say, she is very good at English. For example, she is good at speaking. He is good at math.
Because we say good at when we talk about skills.
Next, number 7.
It is near to my house.
Say, it is near my house.
Because we don't use to after near.
And this one confuses many learners. Number 8.
I have been to Paris 3 times last year.
Say, I went to Paris 3 times last year.
Because we use past tense with finished time like last year. For example, I went there last week. I visited them yesterday.
So when the time is finished, always use past tense. Number 9.
Can you explain me this?
Say, can you explain this to me?
Because explain needs to when we mention a person. For example, explain this to me. Explain the rules to her.
So don't forget to when you mention a person. And finally, number 10.
Actually, I was basically just going there only
Say, I was just going there.
because too many extra words make your sentence heavy. Keep it simple and clean.
Now it's your turn. Speak with us. Don't just listen.
I have 2 brothers. I have two brothers.
I didn't go there yesterday. I didn't go there yesterday. Try another one. I didn't go to the party.
Let's discuss the plan. Let's discuss the plan.
She is very good at English. She is very good at English. She is good at speaking. He is good at math. Say them out loud. Repetition builds confidence.
Which of these mistakes surprised you the most?
Now your challenge. Write one correct sentence in the comments.
We read every single comment.
Remember, small changes create a big difference.
If this helped you, share it with one friend.
Subscribe for simple, practical English lessons.
You're improving every single day. Keep going.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye.